So, if you want to make plasma at home with a grape, you're going to have to cut a grape. But since I have made something that could cut a fruit, why not use it? The grape here has a clean cut, which is not something you want. For this experiment, you need to leave the two halves of the grape together by leaving the skin to hold them together. So, seeing this grape was no good for the experiment, I decided to put it into better use. So you're supposed to have a setup that looks like this. The jar is here to protect the microwave so that the plasma generated does not damage the roof of the microwave. As the microwave was turned on, we can immediately see smoking, and then sparks begin to be generated in between the two halves of the grape. This is plasma. Then all of a sudden we see one big plasma ball. Of course, this is the first time I attempted this, and I wanted to see if I could repeat it. But sadly, it seems not. Looking back at it, I think the glass was getting warm and absorbing too much of the microwaves, making it difficult for the plasma to be generated. Of course, if you think it's from some other problems, let me know. With that all being said, hope you enjoyed. See ya.
Very squishy.
Oh, right, before I forget. There's also some amazing people who have described how this reaction works, such as Vertasium and Sideshow, along with many other channels, but these two are the only ones I've seen, in my search to find if my microwave would get destroyed by the plasma. Well, obviously not, but I'm superstitious like that.